really want to do the We Just Got a Letter intro from Blue's Clues, but we know who this is from, and I keep trying to come up with words in my head and I can't do it. So we got an Ipsy box. Seriously, did you guys see the Blue's Clues Steve video that he did addressing the youth? The youth that has grown up. I cried. Okay. Today we are doing an Ipsy unboxing. I have the September Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus. They were gifted to me from Ipsy, so thank you very much, Ipsy, for gifting these to me. I'm excited. I love these videos. I like Ipsy. Let's jump into this and see what we got this month. Okay, so as always, I will leave all the products and bag descriptions and links down below if you are interested. I am going to start off with the Glam Bag. There will also be timestamps, so if you're only interested in the Glam Bag Plus, check down below. There will be a timestamp for when I'm doing that unboxing. We're going to start with the Glam Bag though. This is September 2021 Glam Bag. It's kind of cute. It's giving me Clueless vibes, but also very fall, right? Very, I don't even know. I like it though. I like the vibes that I'm getting from this. It's really cute. This, I don't know, I doubt this is real leather, but it's nice. And then I love this tweed. Like, I know, am I the only one getting Clueless vibes? That just automatically puts me in a better mood because I love Clueless. Who doesn't, okay? Before I get into what's in the bag, actually, there were a couple of things out of the bag. We have 2 sheet masks from E-Nature. I like sheet masks, but I don't buy them for myself because I do think it's kind of wasteful, but when I get them in subscription boxes, 100% I will use them. This is the Squeeze Green Watery Sheet Mask, and then this one is the Cica Herb Restore Sheet Mask. I have not heard of this brand, have I? It is a cruelty-free brand though, which means I will try these. I will use these, I will keep these, I will love these. I like sheet masks, like I said. I just try not to buy them myself because I do feel like the premise is a little bit wasteful, but I like getting them in subscription boxes because they are really fun to use and they do help my skin. And I'm realizing now that I got so distracted by Blue's Clues and Clueless that I never told you. The Glam Bag is $12 a month. You get 5 sample to full-size products and you also get to choose one of them. But yeah, this is a good start to the month because, as I said, I will use these. It's always nice to get skincare you're gonna use. Next we have the Nature Lab. Oh, you guys. I don't know if y'all watch my Shop My Samples project, but this is the Nature Lab Perfect Shine Clarifying Scalp Scrub. I just used one of these in that project and I loved it. Oh my god. I need to buy the full size of this immediately. This is like one of the best scalp scrubs I've ever used. It smells so delicious and it seriously works. It gets up all of that buildup out of your hair. It makes your scalp feel so good, which in turn just makes your entire head and your hair feel so good. And this works. Seriously, one of the best scalp scrubs that I've ever used. So yes, I will be taking this into my Shop My Samples project and I will be using it very soon. And then eventually I will be buying the full size because I love this. It's so good. Well, that put me in a really good mood. Then we have, this is the Grace and Stella Spray All Day Rose Spray Hydrating Facial Spray. Okay, I think I've actually had one of these before. I could be wrong about that. Oh, but this is cute. It's a little 30 ml, which I believe is 1 fluid ounce, I think. Little rose facial spray. That's awesome. I'm always down for more facial sprays because I use them a lot. It is so hot in this room. That feels so good. Oh, it smells good too. It's not like an overpowering rose scent. It is a rose scent, so if you don't like rose scents, I don't know how much you'd like this, but this one is not overpowering. It's a very light rose scent. I like that. Okay, next. This is the Benefit Bad Gal Bang Bigger, Badder Volumizing Mascara. This one makes me sad. Benefit Cosmetics is not a cruelty-free brand, so this one I won't be using, but I will go ahead and pass this along to someone. Either way, I will say a mini mascara. This will last you for 1 to 2 months easy, probably 3 months. And then you can go ahead and toss it. But seriously, these are really great to have. I like having these and it's a good way to try out different mascaras. And honestly, I don't know why, but I feel like the formula of the mini sizes is always better than the full sizes. I don't know why. Does anybody else experience that or is that just me? But this is, I've used this mascara before. It's a good mascara. This particular one though, I will be passing along, but I can appreciate the sentiment. And then the last product in here, we flew through that. This is the H2O Plus Hydration Sensitive Gel Cleanser. I have used a couple of the H2O Plus cleansers. I feel like for the most part, I like them. There's a couple that I haven't been like super into, but I'm excited to try this one out. I like the fact that the cap is purple. Like that's so weird and it really has no relevance here, but I really like that. I think that's so cute. But I'll definitely give this one a try. I have not tried this cleanser, so it'll be a good newbie. Okay, so we really did fly through that one. I got really excited there for a second. I am so hungry, I need to eat. But, so now I'm just kind of all like jittery, like I've had too much caffeine, not enough food. But I think this is a really good bag. For 12 bucks, we have a mini cleanser, a mini spray, a mini mascara. We have a mini of the best scalp scrub in existence. It is so good. And then 2 sheet masks. So all in all, again, this bag was gifted to me, but I definitely think this bag is a good one, and had I been paying for it, I would have been good to get this in like as a bag in this month. This was a good one. Good job, Ipsy. I just found the card. The theme this month is work, school, life. Okay. I feel like that's a depressing theme, but all right. Glam Bag Plus. This is what the bag looks like for September for the Glam Bag Plus. You've got the drawstring bag. I like the coloring. Again, I'm getting massive Clueless vibes from this. I don't love the big stripe down the middle, but I like this. I don't know what material this is, but this is nice. I like this. This is a good bag, and I feel like you could reuse these for a ton of different things. So let's take a look to see what we have for our work, school, life. The first product in here, this is from 111 Skin, Hyaluronic Acid Aqua Booster. You guys, I don't know if y'all have heard about this before, but 111 Skin makes really good skincare and they are outrageously expensive. This booster retails for $135, but I do like the skincare and I've used a lot from them over the years that I've gotten in subscription boxes. Subscription boxes are a fabulous way to get bougie ass skincare for less. I've used a lot from them over the years. I don't think I've used this one in particular, but I really like the products that they have. Like they're actually good stand-up skincare products in my personal opinion, and I'm always happy to get them in the bags because that's, you know, $135 for this tiny little thing. Normally get them as well in like add-ons and pop-up sales and things like that at really reduced rates, which you always take advantage of that. So I have a decent stockpile of little boosters from 111 Skin and they're good. They are good. Didn't I say last month that my Ipsy bag for August was like the worst Ipsy bag that I had? This is a good comeback. This is good. Next we have the Murad Acne Control Rapid Relief Acne Spot Treatment. Ooh, okay. This is maximum strength formula that reduces blemish size and redness within 4 hours. There is an expiration date on this of May 2023, and I like that because that gives you plenty of time to use it. I will say I really like the Murad brand, but I have been loving like pimple patches lately. They have worked so well for me. So I have not used like a spot treatment in forever, but this is 2% salicylic acid, and we'll go ahead and give this a try. I mean, you know, I'm young, I'm youthful. There are lots of breakouts. Okay, there are lots of breakouts. That's what we need to be focused on. So I will definitely give this a try. It looks good. I like Murad and I typically like their products, so that should be a good one. Then we have this. This is from Galactic. It's Glow on the Go in Jet Setter. Gently swipe and blend with your fingers across each cheekbone, down the bridge of your nose, below your eyebrow bone, the top of your cupid's bow, and the inner corners of your eyes. Okay, so I was just about to say it's a liquid highlight. It is like a chubby, like, you know, the lip pencils. It looks like that, but it is a highlight. It looks really pretty though. Do y'all see that? Ooh, okay, yeah. That looks gorgeous and I cannot wait to use it. And I feel like this month it's very like skincare and hair care heavy. Primarily skincare heavy. And so beyond the mascara, this is the first like makeup that we've received this month, and this is nice. I like this. I'm okay. I will definitely give that a try. I really like cream highlights. I will say I don't normally see them in stick form like this, so I'm intrigued. Product number 4. Oh, okay, here we go. Another makeup product. Oh, this is from Nabla. You guys, I have been so into Nabla lately. Their products are next level. This is the Shine Theory lip gloss. Look at those gold flecks in that cap. I am dying. This is in the shade Renaissance. Oh, okay. I'm not the biggest lip gloss person, and that is literally just Shine, which is my least favorite lip gloss, but I will give it a try because it is Nabla and we do not say no to that. So I'll definitely be trying this out. It looks nice. It's not like super my taste, but I can appreciate the concept here, and who knows, maybe this will be the game changer. You always got to step out of your comfort zone and try new products because you never know what'll be the game changer. The last product in here, this is from Il Makiage. This is the Color Boss Squad Multidimensional Eye Color Quad in the Real Deal. This is like so luxe and heavy. Ooh, you guys, I love this. Oh my god. It's like a neutral, but like a neutral palette for fall. This is amazing. I am in love with this. This is in the Real Deal. So there's 4 shades: Lush Life, Keep Rolling, Own It, and No Bullshit. Oh my god, this is so pretty. I don't think I've ever tried Il Makiage's eyeshadows before. Yes. Yeah. This is like the best bag ever. Literally the only thing I don't like is obviously the non-cruelty free product, but even this lip gloss, while it's not my taste, I don't know, man. I'm kind of into it. Like I'm gonna try it, right? I'm hoping I like it. I might end up hating it, but it looks really nice. So this is phenomenal. This is such a fabulous bag. Just to recap, in the Glam Bag Plus, we got a beautiful eyeshadow quad, a ridiculously bougie skin booster, an acne spot treatment, a beautiful highlight, a beautiful lip gloss, and it's all wrapped up in the cutest little bag ever. Seriously, this was such a good bag. Oh my god. Both of them were. Like, this is my fall color board. Oh my goodness, I am so obsessed. So thank you again so much to Ipsy. Definitely think these bags were worth it. I think these were some of my best bags ever. I'm blown away. Thank you very much to Ipsy, and thank you so much, guys, for hanging out with me today. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys got in your Ipsy bags this month. Is there anything that you were hoping to get? Give me all of the deets. Please make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Make sure you hit the big subscribe button if you'd like to see more of me in the future, and I will catch you guys next time. Have a great one. Bye.